Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Bagas Wiguna Pratama. My NPM 2211192. My class in Manajemen 22C. In this video, I will explain material about the function and process of communication in organization. The importance of K3 in the work. Environment, occupational health and safety. K3 is very significant in the industrial sector and work environment. In this section, we will discuss everything about K3, including the meaning, objective, scope, and types of dangers that need to be considered. Maybe there are still some of you who are not completely familiar with the term K3, but we often encounter it in various institutions, companies, and workplaces. K3 is not just a science, but also a concerted effort to prevent accidents and ensure health and safety for those who work in various sectors. So, next we will discuss in more detail the meaning, objective, and scope of K3, as well as the importance of implementing K3 in creating a safe and productive work environment for all. What is K3? Scientifically, K3 is a science and its application in an effort to prevent accidents while working. K3 can also define sectors that relate to the welfare, safety, and health of workers in an agency or project. Philosophically, K3 is an action on effort to ensure physical and mental safety and sustainability, both in physical and spiritual aspect. This effort is both for the workforce in particular and society in general. Function and objective of occupational safety and health in accordance with Law Number 1 of 197 concerning work safety. It is to prevent incidents and illness that arise as a result of work. Apart from that, K3 aims to maintain the continuity of all production assets so that they can provide benefit with efficiency. In general, the function and objective of K3 are protect and maintain the health and safety of workers to increase their productivity, ensure the safety and health of all individuals in the work environment, ensure that production sites are well maintained and can be used safely and efficiently. The scope of K3 includes several areas that must receive more attention from companies in implementing the K3 program. This aspect and influence or cause work accident if they do not comply with standards. The scope of work safety is follows. Scope of K3: work environment is a location where workers carry out work activities. Work environment conditions such as ventilation, lighting, and condition must be adequate to minimize the potential for work accidents. For, ex- for, ex- for example, lighting that is not bright enough can have a negative impact on workers' health. Work tool and material. The work tools and materials used in the production process also affect the safety and health of workers. Equipment and appropriateness of work tools and material related to productivity must comply with applicable safety regulation. The use of chemicals in certain process requires workers to use safety equipment to minimize potential danger. Work method or works procedure are work standard that must be carried out by works. Making standard operational procedure (SOP) in a company contains all the rules so that work is carried out effectively and efficiently. Several maximum limits for work or working hours in a day are also regulated to minimize potential risk to work's health. Type of hazard in K3. The following is a classification of the types of hazard in occupational health and safety into 5 types. Number 1, chemical hazards. Number 2, physical hazards. Number 3, biological hazards. Number 4, mechanical hazard. Number 5, ergonomic hazard. Number 1, use of chemical elements contained in the production process. Certain chemical hazards can occur upon direct worker contact or inhalation, potentially causing certain disabilities or illness. Number 2 include disturbance that occur due to machine operation that cause noise, extreme room temperature, and inadequate lighting. Number 3, origin from animal or invisible microorganism that can enter the body without being noticed, such as various types of virus and bacteria. Number 4, comes from moving shape of heavy object that can pose a risk to workers, such being stabbed, pinched, crushed, cut or hit. Number 5, originating from a mismatch between the design or equipment of work facilities and the body capacity to work, such as repetitive or repeated movement which can cause disturbance to the body. A company's K3 management system must be checked periodically to see whether it complies the applicable provision or standard. This is because the K3 system in a company will affect its work safety and health performance. Conclusion. Overall, occupational health and safety is a step and effort to create protection and security from the rise of accident and danger, both physical, mental, and emotional for works, companies, communities, and the surrounding environment. So, occupational safety and health is not only related to physical work problems but also mental, psychological, and emotional. The implement of K3 is very important for everyone involved in work or activity that have the potential to cause work accident. The following is material that I can convey. If there are any words errors in explaining, I apologize because the saga actually doesn't speak English. Thank you. Bye bye.